final. Assuming tayo. Wante. Ate lang. Uy.
Alright, my friend, partner, eto na, nakakagulo talaga sa baba.
But anyways, thank you tabulators for tabulating the scores. I know you had worked too much for this event, and I know it's been a long time kasi hindi pa sila kumakain, but we are grateful because we already had the results.
Partner, wala na ba tayong ibang mga award before we call the 6th runner?
Let's proceed so that they will be able to know who will be the 6th runner-up down to the grand champion.
Oh, alright. Now,
without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, please help us welcome the 6th runner-up goes to candidate number 6.
Dito ka lang my friend, dyan ka, doon, yes. Mag-a-award sila, di ba?
So the 6th runner-up, the trophy will be given by Charmaine Diawan and Lucina Benito, and of course, the 6th runner-up will be able to receive an amount of 20 euro.
Wow, 20 euro, pang-load din yan. O, diba? Congratulations, and trophy and sash.
But I would like to ask one question for candidate number 6. Hi, hello.
Hello.
How are you today?
Very good.
How does it feel that you already awarded for the 6th runner-up?
Very good. Thank you, everyone.
What are the preparations that you had before the event had coming?
I had to practice my walk, I had to practice my choreography, but most of all, my mother and her friends did my costume, so it was all fun.
Wow, thank you so much.
Ay, pero buti ikaw nag-interview. English speaking pala, partner.
Yes, kaya nga eh.
Buti naman talaga, partner. Grabe ang accent niya, ha? Anyway, for the 5th runner-up, partner!
Yes, for the 5th runner-up, we'll be receiving also an amount of 20 euro. The trophy will be given by Nori Bayubay and Lucina Benito. Another 20 euro of cash.
Alright, goes to candidate number 9! Congratulations! Ito tayo,
Candidate number 9.
Ayan! Alright, ready na? Huwag na kayong mahiya. Go, go, go na lang sa stage para matapos tayo. And of course, for the 4th runner-up, partner, tuloy-tuloy na ba tayo?
For the 4th runner-up, the trophy will be given by Elvis Sanada, and the sash will be given also by Novi Scott, and of course, the 4th runner-up will be able to receive an amount of 20 euro.
And the 4th runner-up goes to candidate number 13. 1-3. Ayan, from ano na yan? From the ano na yan?
Sa taas na.
Ayan, sa taas na. Ayan. Green grass at home. At home ba? The green grass at home. Ayan. Dalawa sila. So, bigay ko yung isang nasa 3rd runner-up na tayo. Okay. 3rd runner-up na tayo. And
yes, the 3rd runner-up will be able to receive an amount of 30 euro. The trophy given by James Sarnagan and Lucina Benito, and of course, the sash will be given also by Elisa Kuya Jr. The 3rd runner-up goes to what number?
candidate number 11.
Viva Pizzilla from Cebu City.
From Cebu City, wow! Oy, Larnaca yung partner!
From Larnaca.
Thank you very much! Wow, 3rd runner-up ang Larnaca! Thank you! You know, we have 3 candidates from Larnaca. Margie and Leo Ferry, and the candidate
number 11. And of course, candidate number 5.
Number 5. Akala ko kasi ITC ka, limasol ka kasi kay First Disney Princess ka. Alam mo naman si First Princess, palakawag yun. Ang nakaw, Diyos ko, nakikadinigan mo sa mga.
But anyways, congratulations, ladies. And now we're moving to 2nd runner-up. The 2nd runner-up will be able to receive an amount of 50 euro. And of course, the trophy will be given by
Stephen Saliantes
Rivera for the sash.
Yeah, for the sash.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the second runner-up goes to candidate number 14.
Yes, number 14. Ako, lahat yata nasa taas na ang tinatawag. Bumababa
Second
na sila.
runner-up.
Second runner-up, number 14. Siguro tawagin na natin sila para mag-join.
Yes.
Sabihin mo na sa kanila na mag-join na sila. Miss Margie Moran, Miss Margie Moran and Miss Ocean Deep, pwede ba kayo doon na rin sa baba para pare-pares tayo? Okay. Miss Margie Moran and Ocean Deep, doon na kayo mag-stay para pare-pares ang photographing natin. O, di ba? Para makikita kayo. Eto na tayo.
Alright, so we're moving down to the first runner-up.
For the first runner-up to represent the trophy by Presi Palamares and Lucena Benito will receive 75 euro cash from Manly Cargo Jumbo Box Vouchers and shots by Florenda Wangtaga.
Without further ado, I will be announcing the first runner-up goes to candidate number 5.
First runner-up.
From Laguna also, the Travelers.
Ayan. Ayan ang mag-award. Ayan. Okay? Please the award for the first runner-up to...
The first runner-up will be received a cash amount of 75 euros.
Yes! Wow! Oh, paano na dyan? Anong tawag nila doon? Lambros ko na dyan, Miss Leia Ferry! Ayun, naalala ko sila. Lambros ko na! Okay.
Anyways, ladies, congratulations. Starting the 5th, we're moving down to the 1st. And yes, and partner, let's come forward here.
Lambros ko na, madam!
Are you all excited? Who will be the grand champion for the Run for a Cost? Excited na ba sila?
Excited ako sa Lambros ko na Miss Leia Ferry.